Hi everyone. Welcome to our extra part of our STD Draw NBody Planet project. So, what my partner and I decided to do was incorporate the physics of a black hole into this project. So, one of the biggest things that we ran into was our first job was to place mass on the black hole so it has the gravity to suck in the planets, as you can see. This force that it's deriving is what can be seen as the similar force that the sun had as the planets orbited it in the normal project. However, in this case, the planets are orbiting the sun, but due to the infinitesimally larger gravity that the black hole derives due to its great mass, the sun's gravity is largely nullified as a lot of the planets move to the black hole. Um, Another critical aspect of this project was we wanted the black hole to consistently shift, and we wanted new generations of planets to be created. So how we did this was we implemented the math.random operation where we were allowed to move the black hole in a large number of iterations through a while and a for loop. What we did was each time through STD Draw, we did a show and a clear with overlaying the star.jpg and each planet image on top of each other. So we accomplished this by having the planets be able to be sucked in by the black hole and having each image overlaid multiple times. One of the toughest parts about this project was recognizing a few edge cases to this procedure. One critical edge case that we ran into was we had to keep resetting time equal to 0 for before each loop to allow for the black hole to reset and allow the planets to be stationed in specific points. Another critical issue was understanding that the black hole has to be in different positions in each iteration. Now, many times when the black hole's mass was too high, the planets would go in too quickly, not allowing for proper execution of the animation. So therefore, we have to ensure that the mass wasn't high enough so the animation would be available for the spectator and so forth. Um, Ultimately, it was definitely a fun implementation. We got the opportunity to implement a black hole, implement the force derived by the black hole, and we got the opportunity to have a randomized black hole creation with overlays of planets being created and multiple times. Thank you for your time, and this was definitely a fun extra part of STD Draw package.